Hello and welcome back to Industrial Surplus. We are happy to do a video demonstration of a DoAll automatic horizontal bandsaw. It's a model C5A, built new in 1974. We did clean, painted, cycled the machine, and it is absolutely ready to go. We are cutting pieces now, and the cutting capacity is 9 3/4 inch rounds and 9 by 12 inch rectangles. Has a blade length of 132 inches, 3/4 inches wide, 35 thousandths thick. Has variable speed blade speeds, which are 105 to 275 feet per minute. Indexing of the part can be from 1/8 to 14 inches. With multiple index, I'm sure. Overall machine dimensions are 72 by 130 with the bar feed, 54 inches high, and the overall machine weighs about 800 pounds. It's equipped with this 5-foot hydraulic indexing conveyor, preset cut counter, automatic shutoff, and a 2 horsepower variable speed motor. Can be wired for 230 or 460 volt, and it is currently wired for 230. This is the hydraulic system. Front and rear vices. Good sound machine. That is the machine. If you have any questions, of course, feel free to contact us, and we look forward to working with you. Thank you.